Make healthy moong dal with just a scan in Wi-Fi-enabled LG Scan to cook charcoal microwave oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select Moong Dal from LG recipes in the LG ThinQ app. Follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. Take 200 gram dal in a microwave safe bowl and add water, haldi and hing and mix well. Press send button on the LG ThinQ app. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven and press start. Now take another bowl and add oil, jeera, hari mirch and curry leaves. When the microwave beeps, take out the bowl with the dal and keep it aside. Keep the second bowl inside the microwave oven and press start. When the microwave oven beeps, add dal, salt, dhania jeera powder, hara dhania, kasuri methi, water if required, and lemon juice. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven and press start. Enjoy good health with delicious moong dal made with LG Scan to cook charcoal microwave oven. Follow these simple steps to operate the LG Scan to cook microwave oven.